Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Brian James, and today I'd like to take you for a walk around my garage. It's not much, but that's where I get my hobbies done. Okay, so for a start, we have a tool wall. Everything I need to work on the cars, mostly, is quickly in hand, and I always try and put it back. Not too successful at that sometimes. As we walk around, obviously we've got a 2-post hoist. I picked this up fairly cheap, second hand. The garage is set up for 3-phase and is running 3-phase power. So this only cost me about $800. Pretty cheap. And honestly, the most valuable tool I have ever bought, man. I can't tell you enough about how good it is to have a 2-post or a 4-post hoist in your garage to work on cars. If that's your hobby, you need one of these things. Industrial shelving, obviously up through the top. Tyres for the hobby cars, for the chevrons, and as you can see I've got toolboxes, axle stands. No, they're not cheap Harbour Freight ones that collapse. As we come along, more shelving. This table's on rollers, so I can move it to wherever I want, and that's 20mm thick steel, so I can weld to it if I need to, and I can rebuild engines or do whatever I need to on there. Coming back, we've got some more shelving. I'm going to put steel into here. This is my main workbench. At the moment it's a junk bench. Basically you can see it's holding junk. More shelving, more tools. So I've invested a lot in tools for my job. I'm a machinist or a fitter and turner by trade. So over the years I end up accumulating a lot of tools. Above me I've got 2 mezzanine floors for storing junk. It's supposed to be for storing very important parts. It never ends up that way. We have parts cleaner, sandblaster. All the garage has been insulated because it's, as you can see, it gets the sun when it's summer, and when it's winter it still gets sun. So it's been insulated with pink bats, which is a fiberglass insulation, and on top of that we've got an Apollic panel. So an Apollic panel is a plastic aluminium composite panel. You can get them in all shapes, difference and colours in that. So through the whole garage I have just plated it with that. I got it for free, so can't complain. Got the XK8 under the cover. Once I'm finished with the chevrons, that's going to be my next project vehicle. That needs a motor and gearbox replacement. Yeah, the stud of the garage is 2.7 metres. So as you can see, I can take a car up to full height on the hoist without interfering on the beams. Now, I can take a normal car as well. I can put my Commodore Ute on here and take that to full height as well. Cool. Look, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Hope you have a good day.